We have Bryce Dallas Howard paying homage to all the fathers out there with her new Apple TV Plus documentary, Dads. And then we have America's Dad, Bob Saget. He's dropping in. And from Penny Dreadful, City of Angels, new father Adam Rodriguez is joining us. Plus, June is National Homeowners Month, and we're doing our best to make things easier for people in these devastating times. We're actually going to meet a daughter who nearly lost her father to a bad accident last year. Since then, she's been devoted to getting her dad back on his feet. Today, they're getting a special surprise. We are paying their mortgage for the rest of 2020. So that's going to be awesome. But first, I have to share a restaurant review. The World...